All right.
All right. Ready to go?
Yep. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah. Whoa. Yes.
Thanks, Katrina.
Thank you.
No, sure, if you've got spares.
Katrina, thank you. That was rad.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Three of them were down there. Huh? 3 of them kept going. I'll go after them.
Look out behind you guys.
Yep.
Looks like we're headed that way.
Gotcha.
I was too busy talking about it.
No worries. Thanks.
How was it?
Dude, it was so fun. The big rock was insane.
He crushed it, man.
Thanks, dude.
He started yes.
Did you swim up there in the Narrows?
2 piddly swims.
I saw your kayak in there.
That's just me. Don't mind me.
Sick.
Oh, it was so fun.
Great, man.
Thank you. Dude, that was fun. Is there any more? Or is
Just last chance right here. And then
Last
we're
chance for a tip or a flip?
last chance for a swim? I don't think I got that.
You did.
I did. GoPro, stop recording.